I'll call one of my friend and I'll call my sister-in-law and see if none of the two of them have her back. So stay tuned. Don't be a cartoon. What is your shirt, man? 2 extra. 4 sheets, Alright, so what's up, guys? So I have another epic one. What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
Alright, this is a kiki, so talk fast.
What are we the foolishness? Alright, guys, so we have a prank set up right now. I'm gonna call our friends and see which one of them have my back. I'm gonna call one of my friends and I'm gonna call my sister-in-law and see if none of the two of them have her back. First person we're gonna call her Gracie. Alright, give her call Suki first. Give her
Time she left her.
oh, Gracie? Gracie leave her 2 o'clock. But she maybe just reach home. So we're gonna call Suki first. And I'm gonna send you Suki number. She maybe no answer. She maybe answer.
So I'm okay.
Suki.
I Patrick called you this morning and you tell him say that they want me there, but then say I come over there.
No. Me not have to tell him say me I come over there. Me no want to tell him say me I come over there. Me want to see if them just gonna have my back suddenly. You understand? So me want
You want to say them gonna lie for you?
Yeah.
Say, yeah man, she there.
if they have me back.
You want to put up with you? They're cheating.
What cheating? I want to see if they really have my back. So,
Send the number.
you want to call Patrick or you want to call Suki? What do you think you should have called? Suki, I want to call. Let me see if she have my back.
I want from when I left you.
Before there this morning. Me leave before there this morning. For 4 a.m. flight. Say me I come over there cause make Suki like talk to her like me and her on a good term right now. And me leave. So me want to ask her the right way. Just ask her hang up the phone. Make me talk to her. Now ask her if me reach there yet. Just say make me talk to her. Put it on speaker.
Hello? Hello?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm there, I'm good.
You cooking dinner already?
No, I'm not for cook. So things there, we can't munch on, you know?
Okay.
You know who this, by the way? You know who this?
Huh?
You know who this?
Yeah, me don't know your guys now.
So the voice you catch, I already know the number.
Me know this number too because me have caller's ID. So your full name come up.
Oh,
Lord God, I don't want to.
no,
You
yeah.
think you can trick me?
No, I'm not a tricky man. Nah, but me just never know. I think you'd have wonder who this are, you know?
No, and me know your guys, but now your name come up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like you have a blast though, or everything.
Everything good, man. I just work, you know.
Okay.
I just work, man. Everything good and composite.
We talk to Donna now.
Eh?
Let me talk. Daniel leave your. Say she have 4 something for like this man. She'll come down and you come help you sort out and them there. When me I call her and get to her. Let me talk to her.
Let me call you back. Me I blend some carrot.
Eh?
You heard me a minute.
What you say?
Let me call you back. Me I blend some carrot. Give me a minute.
You hear what me say a while ago?
Yeah, me say give me a minute. Let me call you back. Me I blend some carrot. You call me right now the middle of it. So give me a minute. Alright?
Alright.
Alright, cool.
Yes! That's a girl. Yo, let me tell you something. Tell her she go have me back. She go call.
But that way she tell me say no smart, no wise.
It wise.
No,
It
she just say me
wise.
soon come.
No, she a blend some carrot up.
So all of a sudden you blade carrot and you can't tell
you
me,
mean?
you can't let me talk to you.
I mean, she go call you now.
She should have said, hold on, let me call her back.
No. I mean, she go call you now. We find out before it's so ring. See it right there, so let me put it by load. She go
Is that
call
number
me.
that she have?
Yes. I bet you say she go call me.
She have take long door.
She think she maybe I talk first.
You go call her back.
No, no call her back.
Me I go call her back. Cause that this a take alright.
No call her back.
2 more minutes.
Yeah, no call her back yet. You think she go call me? Oh my God.
She just switched.
So
as we say that.
fast.
I blend some action. I blend no carrot to her. You're the blender, you know.
We ain't there. We tell Patrick, she maybe I talk to Patrick right now.
I tell Patrick say you know that.
Yes. Lord have mercy. Remember, you know, me been a tell her say I want to come down there because me need a little break and etc. We should take so long for come. Me think should have come me already.
She have blocked this thing out like
We
she
are there.
want me to call her back and start get
She take so
suspicious.
long for call me. Alright, so me tell Patrick say me tell Suk say me want to come down there because, you know, we just need a vacation because me not take no vacation like 2 years now. And, you know, me need to get out of the house and get a break. So, I eat and there I wonder. Where the hell Suki there? Why she not call me yet? And why she never make your whole hand little? Where she? Yes.
She get panic, you know.
Yes.
And do something where
She could have
me, you know, as a normal thinking person, or if
Yeah.
something that goes off a true,
Right.
me just start get suspicious.
I'ma
From
tell
she
you.
mention say, when we call her back.
Right. Let me call you back. Yeah.
If you're dead, I'm want to talk to you, no call back no for dead. She could just say, hold on there.
What's Suki that I do? What she I do?
She could just say, hold on there.
Call her back. She take too long now. She maybe not gonna answer. Cause she don't know what me tell her say. Me and her talk up the last week and me tell her say, I want to come down there.
Very next one. Then.
See that video? She not have that number there. That number here she have.
Please leave your message for 41.
Yeah, yes, sis, yes, sis.
So you boss it now? Or you just have to
No,
play
me
it?
not boss it. Me I go play along with it.
So you ever say that?
You go quiet.
What you ever
Quiet.
say that?
Don't say nothing. Me no know. Yeah, my friend. Hello?
Donna,
Yeah?
where are they?
Me there over my friend.
I might not treat me, you know, because I'm not talking on the phone while, you know. You think I come over here?
Yeah. Max that call you. Where Max get your number from?
Me don't know. See my call back here again.
Me there over my friend, but me tell her say, me tell him say me I come at you yesterday. So, how Max get your number? Me not understand.
Me don't know, but see my call again.
Oh Jesus. Alright, so me there over my friend, but me tell him say me I come at you because me and Max have a disagreement and me just want a break. So I tell him say me I come at you that he not have to worry.
Alright.
But me never know say. So what him say?
No, instead of making time to Donna because Donna left for this morning and said she'll come over me.
Right.
So me say, okay, so me I blend some carrots, so me say, give me a minute, me call you back, cause me I blend some carrot in the kitchen. I just take a call, cause me see the call that come in, so me say, me call you.
Okay. So if him call back, what you gonna tell him? Say don't answer.
Me not gonna answer.
Cause me will find a way.
Make you go to the voicemail.
Right. No answer. If him a call back, no answer. Or tell him say me gone on the road or something like that. If you answer, tell him say me gone on the road.
Right. My call again. Dada, you my call again. Me not gonna answer it. Me don't want to deal with it. Make you just go to the voicemail.
Ay.
No, cannot go to the voicemail. I mean, want to tell lie after lie after lie. Make it just go to the voicemail.
Okay.
The only thing you could have said, you don't reach it. When,
No.
so, what time she a reach, or she not reach it, so, make it just go to the voicemail.
No.
That's the best way.
Answer him, man. Answer him when he call and tell him say.
No, me don't want to tell lie after lie after lie.
Okay.
What me going to tell you, alright, when he call back, what me going to tell him say?
Me there over my friend. So me just tell her say me there over my friend. Me talk to Patrick this man, me tell him say me not there home. So me there over.
Yeah, when him call and say, alright, he say, you live say you come and you don't reach it, so he must say pick you your phone.
Right.
So what me I going to say to him now? Say you don't reach it.
No.
So make you go to the
Yeah.
voicemail.
Yeah, but he maybe feel say you hide something. You don't want him to say you hide something for me. So
Yeah, but that's the same thing. If me not answer it, that's the same thing, and if me tell a lie, that's the same thing. It a worse if me tell a lie. So the best way that just make you go to the voicemail.
anyway, Suki,
Mm-hmm.
this is a prank. Suki, look here. Me say, Suki, me tell Max say you have me back. And so me know say you're my true sister-in-law, you know. You got my back, you know. Me tell Max say you got my back. Me want to prove it. If you got my back. And you got my back for real. You got my back. I love that. I love that.
It's okay.
You find an excuse so...
It's okay. You know what I know? The big question me have for you. The big question me have for you.
Yeah.
Where you use blender carrot there? Cause me no hear no blender. Me never hear no blender run.
Me stop the blender now. It's when the caller come in.
Yeah.
Me stop the blender to take the call.
Right. All of a sudden,
stop the
sir.
blender to take the call. But I mean, me who don't know say a prank, but I mean, me can't always say anything.
Me know say you don't know.
If they go say in real life, I mean, when me I was say, oh no, she never come here, I can't do that. You mad?
Exactly.
You don't know what you do to her.
Exactly. You prove it now to me. 100% say you got my back. Listen, you prove me again say you got my back.
So when you leave, you take so long
me.
for call her? Or you take so long for call her?
What you da do? You da tell Patrick
You can talk to Patrick?
No, but going there because Patrick said, you're not there on the phone earlier. You're not there on the phone earlier, so I'm going there first to ask Patrick.
You mind tell me.
You're not there.
Yeah.
Patrick. What Patrick said?
Patrick can mix up too.
Patrick.
You're not there, you're the pass some in.
Yo.
But me never never answer about Max if Max did a call back. Make it go to the vice.
Yeah.
Make it go to the vice because I want to tell one lie after another lie
Yeah.
after another lie.
Yeah.
You better just go to the voice note
Alright.
and if you don't get no answer.
Me love that. Me love that. The one
Right.
Patrick mix up me,
Right.
this morning, me and him.
But
Right,
your
the
mouth
quickest-
don't need to go.
and the quickest- and the quickest-
You don't really ivy like something. You know what I mean?
And the quickest transformation is
If me love you one more time.
me you talk good enough. Me you talk good and me bless you up. As me say, make me talk to Donna son.
You can't go tell that.
Who call you back? Let me call you back.
See
Quick and fast.
Yeah, then Mark, me now have to cut the conversation, man.
Yes.
I'm going to say to you.
Yeah.
Hold on, you could have said, hold on there. You could have said, hold on there, you know? And just cut off the phone. But
No,
Let
me don't
me
want
call
to
you
cut
back.
it off because if me cut it off like that, you are going to probably realize it.
Exactly.
So I
Exactly.
have to wait till
Yeah.
get the confirmation for you, say you're okay.
Yeah.
Let me just finish blend this and I will call you back. Me in the big glass up. But for me just hang it up right there so that I will be like a something me eye because why me just hang up when I just say that.
so
Yo.
me honestly speaking now, question, honest. When this come now to you, me ask you Donna, you call Donna, and you realize that Donna call me out. Now, what kicking in your brain this now? So you wanna run. Kicking in your brain, so wanna run.
Yeah, me I say right thing when I the fan. In my mind, me I say that, but
Bun.
you know, like me I think now deep and I say, you know, like me I say, no, so like me I say that not good because if with Dana left down this so no one, then Max a call no one. So like, you know, make my spirit kinda get down. This so
Oh God.
Yeah, I said, Donna,
you know me I say
Donna give Max bun.
so right.
In a Thanksgiving, yeah. And not even bun and cheese time, and Thanksgiving, you know, a turkey time.
Me I say, you know, that me I say, but that one you know sound too good at all.
Patrick called me
And
this
the Patrick
morning,
him to
man.
know, the Patrick him
Mix
to know
up.
the mix up self. I say yes. Sister do her thing. Sister do her thing.
Me ask Patrick say when Dana dey, him a go tell me say Dana dey party.
Can't you tell him so this morning?
That don't make me I say, you know, that don't make me I believe.
That put the icing on the cake.
That for the movements be true. So me
Wow.
I say, Lord, that I want this now.
That is exactly why.
After ring back in phone and the call and come in. I say, I want this. I better make you go to the vice bill.
But then
Yeah.
I bust it too quick still.
Yeah, me bust it quick.
But me never never, you know, and you she never bust it. Me never never answer back in phone, you know. I'm
Yeah.
vice bill that I go go.
And Patrick, me go call next.
Because when they answer, we never tell us it.
Patrick, me go call next, you know. If you not answer me, I just call Patrick. And say, and
And that me should I know. And that me should I know. Make you call Patrick because you're
I
not.
mean, I go ask Patrick for her, and I'm gonna say, Patrick, give Suki the phone. Let me talk to her. That me go say.
No.
Wow.
So you was.
You know, Patrick never go give phone because me come in there already. Go in there already go ask Patrick, say, when Dana there. And me I tell Dana, say, me I tell Patrick, say, Max call me phone a while ago.
So it's a team Dana thing. It's a team Dana this.
If you call and say, you got that, we give Patrick probably now give the phone. Patrick probably will find something to tell you. Me I tell you.
It's a team Dana this.
Give the phone.
A team
And
Dana.
one thing me can tell you.
A team Dana. Me go call Grace and say,
One
Grace.
thing me can tell you, sis. Miss, if me love you one more time, you got my back. And I that the part that me I stick my head to. Me not care what else.
No, you can't.
Me not care what else.
If Dana never bust the secret so quick, your son of dinner would have spoiled up.
Master, you that call, so still because
Yes.
I just say you that call Patrick. So what happened with Patrick? If Patrick I will give him, but if you can't phone, if you tell Patrick we give him phone, I will say Patrick tell Max I'm busy right now, we cannot talk to him.
I say that deal with Max. I say that deal with Max. I say that deal with Max.
No, but she don't want. She don't want. It's like she don't want to tell you things to hurt your feelings.
You don't know why not, so you something really good so. You don't
No.
want to be the one fee. Cause no more.
Yeah, but you can't deal with Max. So Max this, you can't deal with Max. So.
He
Yeah.
would want to be like, figure out confirmation, say yes, something was so.
Yeah.
Who don't want to do that?
Right.
Understand? Because
You know what, making art there drop out, yes. Yeah.
Contention, I don't want no contention go start through me.
You know what, the art there drop out to ya.
When it comes to relationship, you never know this all when you know say somebody they can done and they tell me say come over here, you know, but you know this me not say to you say no, sir, I don't know tell me say come over here.
Right.
I'm gonna give a chance.
What you say?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give a chance for say because I could have, you see, me did say it a different way, like
You're quick thinking.
like
yeah,
Dana
man.
did it
Yeah.
or so.
Yeah.
It would have give a different fruit. Me
Right.
gonna give a chance for think for come up with the answer. We
No.
just say let me talk to her. You
Yeah.
know?
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Come here, I think no winner I say we can talk to Dana, then when me ever tell him say no, sir.
If me did say Dana did it.
Get your half of the phone.
If me did, if me did, you see, if me did say.
Man, so that's a prank me and Dana. They hide it. You prosecute it in for it too.
No.
Man saying that was sorry when I tell him to be careful, go give me after me. You know what careful, go give me Patrick. What you done said to man?
From 4 o'clock this morning.
Yo, you hear my brother? You hear my brother? Him gonna give me way.
Yeah, you don't reach her yet. That's not a giveaway.
Oh, you mean? I give way.
That's not a giveaway. You don't reach her yet.
Me not reach her yet. Then that means I'm there somewhere else. Right. 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 Yeah. So you can't blame her for nothing.
Me just suspicious. Me just get a you give me a suspicious. You give me a suspicion. But me not get nothing. Yeah, me not get nothing. Me not get nothing but me just suspicious.
Yeah.
Because you talk good and then all of a sudden you know take my call, you know call me back, me can't get you again. So me just get suspicious.
As long as me don't say nothing,
Yeah.
as long as me don't say nothing,
Yeah.
You are clean.
even if me not take a call,
Yeah.
as long as me not say nothing, you know I'm not. But remember, if me take a call, you know, remember me have to tell you something, you know.
I lie, you go lie.
And you know what? Caught up in a lie.
Right. So if me not take a call now, maybe I would think that I say, boy, Suki did busy, or maybe Suki still in the kitchen,
Yeah.
maybe Suki battery dead.
Mm-hmm.
You would think they're weird, you know. But when you go call back and me know, I would say, you know she not there.
You know, say I'm mad like this, you know. Mad like this, you get question after question.
Right.
Question after question you go get.
Alright, sis, me there. I have one more call and I don't want my video go too long.
Alright, look for more.
Alright. Yeah, yeah.
That will play the carrot me mean.
Alright. Can't cook in peace. Can't cook it up clean out now.
Oh my god. God, Gracie. No, me not stop it. It don't go straight. That was so much fun. That was funny. You have to approach Gracie the same way. No, tell Gracie.
It's a different you know, like Gracie kind of suspicious and
You have to know how to reach Gracie, you know, because Gracie have this tendency to pick up things.
I think Gracie is suspicious, you know, the prank.
Max?
Grace,
Oi.
me talk to Dana a little bit. Me call her phone and she not answer.
Me not there want me to come from work.
You know the home yet? You know,
No, I'm 3 o'clock me left work. I just left work.
you just left work?
Mm-hmm.
So she tell me say she and her go up on the road.
Eh?
Oh, she left her from 2:30, so you and her go up on the road.
Hey, you come out on my phone and don't take one down there.
Tell her I say it's not go so easy with you, you know, Gracie. But tell her I say it's not go easy with you, you know. But you know the mistake? She thinks at 2 o'clock you left work.
If she
the timing, man. The timing never right. She thinks say you left work from 2 o'clock. So if you did left work from 2 o'clock, you'd have reached home already.
Yes, I just left work.
But you just left work, so that make a big difference.
We cannot get her.
But me tell her, say it's not going to easy to get you home, because you're aware right already. You're aware, you look out for it, you know? You look out for prank.
Guys, this one don't work.
Alright then.
Guys, let me tell you something.
That one then not gonna work. How come
This
it
one
was this?
not going to work. She pick up like a satellite, nothing to pass her. The one here
And
now
pick up
work.
because you prank her two
Yeah,
times.
we catch her already, so
2 times.
she aware of it.
So she have her defense up.
Yes, satellite. She pick up everything. Yeah.
Have her defense up and she pick up easy.
Oh my
If
god.
you did know say at 3 o'clock she left work,
Yeah.
I will guarantee about 4 o'clock.
But you see, all you ask her, make you talk to Dana there. She nah.
But she just left work.
I know.
That's the thing. You see, if she did left work
And
long
they-
time,
Yeah.
then she would have get a different to her, coming different to her. But
Alright.
she just left work. Right away she said, oh, this foolish is this. But you go bust out a laugh. You don't even give me a chance to
No,
try
because
clean
I
it up.
couldn't help it. She just stay bad. Like, me tell you something, I need one socks to put in my mouth when you talk to Gracie on the phone if we are trying to do or nothing because me I go laugh. Gracie just funny. Me I go laugh if things them will come out her mouth. Like, me literally need a
She
socks.
still don't believe anyway. If you're not
She wouldn't
taking the
believe.
laugh out,
No, she wouldn't believe. Gracie is not
still
somebody
have-
when me can catch.
she still don't look to her.
Again. Catch her already. It not happen again.
She should like get
But-
by herself.
but it's
She
alright.
get by her husband.
Me have news
Kinda
here.
Stiff now.
Me I'll catch her. Me I'll catch her. You know what me should I do? Go catch her. No. Anyway, guys, tell us what you think in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave us a comment. Click the like button. Share. Okay?